how to make the easiest Canva animation for beginner like this one. So let's do it. Open Canva first and choose video. We will work today with Facebook resolution. Click. And it's going to open here on this page. So next I will go to this background and I will change the color to maybe this color. And right now I will go to element and I will add my element. For me, I have already used some element. I will use this ice cream. I prefer maybe to use this one. I will just do it like this, and I will click on chocolate and click and use it here. And maybe now it's look good. I will go to text and click text, click chocolate like this. I will change right now the font. I will change also the color of this phrase to white. And I will make it like this. And I will select layer and send it back here. And so right now when I finish this, I will just go and duplicate this or add another page. Click add another page and change the background color maybe to this blue, and do the same with another product. And right now guys, when you are finishing editing the other pictures, you have to go here between these two pages and click add transition and go and click on flow. Click on it like this and maybe make it like this and click apply between all pages. And right now here is the final result. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, leave a like, leave a subscribe. See you next tutorial.